So today I am repeating the same derivation of mirror formula. This is this year board question. Derive mirror formula by using concave mirror virtual image. So we are discussing with concave mirror real image. Last class we have seen the diagram, diagram also, and we have completed two important equations also. Today I repeat the same derivation and diagram. Concave mirror, hold, focus, and see. Object you can place beyond 2C. When object is beyond 2C, in the case of concave mirror, Johit, tell me what is the nature of the image and location of the image formed. Johit, can you hear me?
Sir, when it is placed?
Slightly loudly.
Sir, didn't hear you. When it is placed?
Mohammed, can you tell me? Question passes to Mohammed.
So the image is formed between C and F, and the nature of the image is diminished.
Okay, real inverted and diminished. Okay, so the diagram we have seen last class. So AB is your object. What are the three rays to be considered? Angel Vijayan. Speak loudly.
Yes, sir.
What are the three rays to be considered for the image formation, for deriving mirror formula?
So one is parallel to the principal axis. The other one is like incident towards the pole, and the third one is through C.
Okay, good. So whenever you speak loudly, all of you. First ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection passes to the focus. One aroma. Second ray reaching to the pole. Obeying the laws of reflection. And coming down. The second ray. Another one, ray passing to C, conveniently change the position. Okay. After passing to point C, it will be, can extend the mirror to the side, left side. The third ray, angle of incidence is 0, R is 0, reflects back. And first ray, second ray, and third ray all are meeting at this point. Here we are getting A dash, B dash. After that, you have the point C. All the diagrams and array of clicks you practice without scale, freehand diagram you practice. The last class we have seen this diagram. First ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection passes to the focus. Second ray reaching the pole. After reflection comes back, and another ray, third ray passing through C reaches the mirror. It's a normal incident. All they are coming here. So A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash is the real inverted diminished image of the object may be placed beyond C. So we have to derive the mirror formula. Okay. Parth Sharma, can you give me the equation of mirror formula loudly?
So the mirror formula is 1 upon F equals to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V.
Okay. Praveen, can you tell me what is the meaning of U, V and F?
U is the distance of the object from the pole of the mirror, V is the distance of the image from the pole of the mirror, and F is the distance between F and P of the mirror.
Okay, very good. Jatin Agarwal. As the sign convention, whether we take the focal length of concave mirror positive or negative.
So focal length is positive on the
Just listen me, just listen.
concave. For the concave side, we'll take it negative, and for the convex mirror, we will take it positive focal length.
Concave mirror, it will be negative. Convex mirror, it will be positive. Sign convention. Okay, for concave mirror, focal length is to be considered as negative, and convex mirror is positive. Take care of the sign convention. Okay. So image is completed, and we are to take the first pair of triangle. So first point is object and image. What is the object? Object is A, B, image is R, S, R, S. Triangles we have to consider with C. Object, image, triangles with C. First pair of triangles. So take 1 minute. We'll continue after 1 minute. Okay, tomorrow's timing. I think all of you heard. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
up to 11, I think there is some program. So we have to say object and image triangles with C. Triangle ABC and triangle C are similar. Look at the diagram. Triangle ABC. What are the triangles here? Triangle and C. Another. These two triangles are similar. You have to take the ratio of the vertical sides. AB divided by A dash B dash. AB divided by A dash B dash. Ratio of the vertical side equal to horizontal side. CB divided by CB dash. CB divided by CB dash. This is equation number 1. First point completed. Object and image match with the any diagram or any type of image formation you are considered like. Second point. Object and image match with B. Object and image match with B. Consider you have to consider. Object and image triangles with P. Which triangle is forming? Triangle AEP. Triangle A dash P are similar. Triangle AEP and triangle A dash P are similar. Again, we take the ratio of the vertical sides. AB divided by A dash B dash. AB divided by A dash B dash equal to horizontal side PB. PB divided by next time is PB dash. PB divided by PB dash. You can see left sides of equation 1 and they are AB divided by A dash B dash. This equation is very important on the way we use them for magnification. Okay, we have to consider magnification. Equation number 1, we will recall after this. So equation 1 and 2, left sides are same. We can equate right sides. So next one I am writing here. Right sides are equated. That is CB divided by CB dash equal to PB divided by PB dash. All the distances are to be measured from the pole of the mirror. All the distances are to be measured from the pole of the mirror. So here C to B, PB and CB dash, they are not measured from the pole. So are to be changed. PB dash is okay, no problem. Okay. So this one I am writing here on the right side. I think on the left side it is not. Equation number 1 and 2 are equating on RHS. So PB and PB dash, they are measured from the pole itself, but CB, how to write CB? Can anyone? You have to write the measurement from P. What is CB distance? Can anyone? Can anyone?
PB minus
PC
PC.
minus PC.
Okay, somebody saying? It is CB stands for PB minus.
PB minus PC.
Okay, very good. PB minus PB minus PC by mark, that is CB completed. Now next is CB dash. All the measurement to be measured from the board. So this will be equal to PC minus PB dash. So PC minus PB dash. Right side, all other measurements are from the board. So no need of any change. Divided by PB dash. Upper right in this measurement. Next, by sign convention. We are used by sign convention. Sign convention, we are seeing all measure from the board. Distance to our left side is negative, to our right side is positive. So first is PB, which is the distance of the object, that is always negative, minus. Next is distance of the image, PB dash, that is also to our left side, minus P. Another is P to C distance, PC, that is minus R towards left side. All are measured in this case towards left side are to be considered as negative. Substitute all these values with signing this PB minus PC minus R minus or minus R PC minus R minus PB dash is again minus equal to on right side PB, that is equal to minus U divided by PB dash minus P. If you want to ask anything about the signs, you can check again. PB minus U, left side, minus sign, PC minus R, PC again minus R, minus is here, PB dash is minus B. PB is minus U and PB dash is minus B. Okay, this is minus U plus R divided by minus R plus B equal to U divided by B. Now you can cross multiply. So I am removing the diagram. Cross multiply. Cross multiply the equations. Minus UB plus VR equal to minus UR plus UB. Dividing toward by UVR. Divide toward by UVR. When you are dividing here, it will be equal to minus 1 by R. And dividing here only 1 by UV equal to, here it is you are getting minus 1 upon P. And here you are getting 1 upon R. And this minus 1 by R is going right side, this minus 1 by is coming to left side. So 1 by U plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R. That is equal to 2 by R. 1 by U plus 1 by U is equal to 2 by R. But R plus into is equal to 12. R is equal to twice of focal length. Therefore, next step will be equal to 1 by U plus 1 by B is equal to 2 divided by 12. 2 to cancel, and you are getting 1 by U plus 1 by X equal to 1 by X. 1 by U plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by F. This is the mirror formula. So this year 2020, they asked to derive the mirror formula by using concave mirror virtual image. So this real image derivation is in the NCERT, but virtual image derivation is not there in the NCERT. So you have to follow the same steps. We will make the diagram. All of you make the diagram with me. So next is CBSE 2020 derive mirror formula. The question was like this: an object is placed in front of a concave mirror and produces a virtual image. Draw the concerned ray diagram and derive mirror formula by using that diagram. Virtual image. So what is the condition for getting virtual image? Afshan Syed. What is the condition for getting virtual image in the case of concave mirror? Afshan Syed, just unmute yourself, tell me the answer, fatabat. Quickly, quick response. Whether you are correct or not, no problem. Tell me the answer. What condition will get virtual image? Nachiketa Bhattnagar. Can you hear me, Nachiketa? Okay, wait. Afshan is getting ready. Okay, Afshan, tell me. You have to unmute yourself. Okay, no problem.
Sir, mic is-
Nachiketa, you tell me. In which case we get virtual image in the case of concave mirror?
Their object should be placed between F and P.
The answer should be quick response. Okay, daily topic you should learn daily. Okay. So that diagram I am going to draw, but derivation is complete in the copy. Same format, you have to use same pair of triangles. Maybe sign may be different. Okay. So diagram I am going to complete. Same three diagrams for that three ways to be considered. Object is placed between pole and focus. So you will get virtual direct magnified image behind the mirror. AB is your object. You have to consider three rays. First ray, parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, passes through the focus. After reflection, passes through the focus. Second ray, reaching the pole. After reflection, obeys the laws of reflection and comes back. First ray and second ray. Third ray also we have to consider that ray should pass through C. So you can draw the line from C. The ray reaches here. Third ray. This light ray coming from A reaches the circle and it tends to come from where C is an orbital incident. So I is equal to 0, R equal to 0 in the path, and after that it will be point into 0. This is the third one. First and second, they are not coming and meeting on that side. But if we extend them back, and appear to come from that point here. So here we get A dash B dash image. So if we are standing on left side, for us, it appears to come from where A dash B dash. So A dash B dash is the virtual erect and magnified and large image of the object which is placed between pole and focus. So this was 2020. This diagram for the derivation of mirror formula. So what are the pairs of triangles you have to consider? Jatin Agarwal, first pair of triangle.
So in first triangle with respect to center of curvature, so ABC.
Object and image triangles with C. Okay, that is the triangle.
Triangle ABC.
Triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash are similar, so there is no change. The pair of triangle has no change, exactly same. So what is the equation? AB divided by A dash B dash equal to ratio of the vertical side AB divided by A dash B dash equal to what's on the side? It's on the side. CB divided by CB dash. CB divided by CB dash. There is no change. Question, there is no change. The value substitute, then there will be change. Okay, second point. Triangle pair again object and image with object and image triangles with P should be considered. What are the triangles? 4 is here. ABP. Triangle ABP. And triangle A B dash B dash triangle. A dash B are similar. Write them AB divided by A dash B dash is equal to. So in this case, PB divided by PB dash divided by PB dash equal to number. There is no change absolutely. So this format of the equation, there is no change. Diagram we have changed. From equation 1 and 2, equate the RHS. This part of the diagram. So from equations 1 and 2, RHS value, that is CB divided by CB dash equal to PB divided by PB dash. All the measurements are to be from the port. If it is not there, so right side में PB, okay, PB dash be okay. Now left side में you can see CB and CB dash, they are not measured with the port. So who will give me the answer for that? What will be CB in this case? Joyit, you are speak loudly. What is CB? So you can see the diagram also. What is CB in the diagram? Point is CB. CB. What is CB distance? Yeah. Sound is not coming. There is a problem. Okay. Answer will
So PC minus BP.
P. PC minus
PB or BP.
P. PB is here from here to here you see. So PC minus PB.
PC minus PB.
Yes. PC minus PB.
PB.
Ah, PB. Correct. Okay, what is next one? CB dash. CB dash. Left to right. Left to right. Left side is CB dash is there for a full distance. Can you see that full distance? C to B dash. How do you write that? C dash.
PC plus PB dash.
Okay, very good. PC plus PB dash equal to PB divided by PB. Now next point, as per sign convention, you have to substitute the value. Okay, substitute the value as per sign convention. So that also I am giving you. As per sign convention. As per sign convention. Next point is by sign convention. By sign convention. What is your PB, PB dash, and PC? These are the three values you have to substitute. Okay. Parth Sharma, can you tell me what is your PB?
So PB is minus U, PB dash is plus V, and PC should be plus R.
Repeat. PB.
So PB should be minus U,
Okay.
PB dash should be plus V,
Correct.
PC should be minus R.
Okay. So PB is minus U is on left side. Left side is minus. PB dash is on right side, that is plus V. And PC is here on left side only, so it is minus R. In this diagram, these are the changes: minus U plus V. Image is virtual, it is behind the mirror. and PC is equal to minus R. Substitute all these values in the equation. So PC we are getting minus R minus PB is minus divided by again minus R PB dash is plus equal to right side PB minus U and PB dash is equal to plus. Cross multiply and simplify all of you. Do it in the copy. Simplify remaining part. Just cross multiply and divide throughout by UBR and see whether you are getting the equation or not. Within 1 minute, all of you complete. Minus R plus C divided by minus R plus B equal to minus U by D. Minus RD plus UB equal to UR minus UB divided by UBR. Minus 1 upon U, 1 upon R equal to 1 upon B, then minus 1 upon R. This is coming to the side, minus 1 by U going that side. So 1 by R plus 1 by R equal to 1 by U plus 1 by B. So 1 by R plus 1 by R is 2 by R. 2 by R equal to 1 by U plus 1 by B. So but from here, I'm writing the side on the left side. R is equal to 12, therefore 2 divided by 12 equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by B. 1 by M equal to 1 by 2. This is the Miller formula. Derivation. Next important point. If you are asked to plot a graph between U and V, because this in the practical also, it's a practical examination, this is very important. Plot the graph between U and V and find the focal length. Plot the graph between 1 by U, 1 by V and find the focal length. So the equation is 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to 1 by F, and this equation is same for all types of mirror. Okay, all types of mirror and all types of images. So if you want, you can try with the convex mirror, same kind of diagram you perform and try to get that equation for a practice. So what is the nature of the graph we are going to plot, and this is important one for your practical examination. Graph between U and V and graph between 1 by U plus 1 by V. First is UV graph. Second is 1 by U dash 1 by V graph. For the mirror, equation is 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by U. So the equation is 4. Now I am making the first one full real image, concave real image. Real image is U are always negative on U always negative, real images are always on left side, V also negative. Real image is negative. So when you plot a graph, axis, x-axis plus value, y-axis is plus value, x-dash axis we are getting it as minus 2 is plotting here, minus 2. And V also negative, so V is here minus V. Plus V, and this is plus U, minus V, and minus U. The graph will be in the third quadrant. It's a rectangular hyperbola, UV graph for real image, the graph like this. This is the nature of the graph. As per the sign convention. Otherwise, you can draw the graph if only magnitude is there, you can draw the graph first quadrant also with sign convention and marking. So after making the graph, you get a shape of the graph like this. What you have to do, draw an angle bisector. A 45 degree. For an angle bisector touches the curve at this point and the coordinates will be 2f and 2f. So you can get the value here, coordinates value. Suppose this value are getting as x and x. So you get a particular value here, and the value will be equal to focal length will be equal to half of that intercept x and y, which is OK and OB. So 2f is equal to the coordinates will be equal to OA. So f is equal to OA by 2. This is the way how to calculate, or 2f is equal to OB, f is equal to OB by 2. What is this much portion? Half of that will give you direct focal length. So this is calculated by using the graph angle bisector. You have to note, not from the equation. So you have to perform these experiments. 6 gradings you have to take, and you have to plot a graph will be obtained. You can plot the graph in the first quadrant also, no problem. Or as per sin convention, we are plotting it. Okay, then what is the shape of 1 by u, 1 by v graph? U and v are to take the reciprocal calculate, and the graph shape is very important one. It will be a straight line. So again, same type of sign convention we are using. 1 by u positive, 1 by v positive axis. X axis where we plot minus 1 by u, and y axis we plot it as minus 1 upon v. So u x axis mein and the y is on v is on y axis, and the reciprocal is also like that. And the graph will be a straight line. 1 by u, 1 by v graph is a straight line touching the axis x and y axis. This is the coordinate A and B. It will be a straight line touching. It's a straight line touching x and y axis there. So you can have intercepts. You can have intercepts. So how to find out at the point A, what are the coordinates of the point A and B? The x coordinate, y coordinate is 0 with x axis. The x coordinate is 1 by u, and y coordinate will be equal to 0. At A and y coordinate 1 by u, comma 0. Because y coordinate is the y axis, point B where x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 1. So how we are going to find out the value of focal length from this graph, straight line? Just listen here. So at point A, I am choosing point A. At the point A, which is on x-axis. Question is 1 by u plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. 1 by u is 0. 1 by u is 0 is x-axis. So 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. What is 1 by u? 1 by u that is proportional by A. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u means proportional value that is A. So f is equal to the reciprocal of OA. Suppose this value is coming as 0.02. OA is 0.02. What will be the focal length from the graph? Tell me. So when you plot a graph, point A corresponds to 0.02. So what is the focal length? 1 upon 0.02. Jaswin Jose. Jaswin Jose. Can you hear me? Parveen. Parveen. Angel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Give the answer.
So minus 50. Minus 50.
Okay, 1 by f is equal to 1 upon 0.02. Okay, 1 upon 0.02 focal length you are getting the value. 1 upon 0.02, what is the value?
Minus 50.
Minus 50 centimeter.
Minus 50.
Okay. Minus Angel Vijayan.
Yes, sir. Minus 50. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the way. So similarly, the reciprocal of OB, focal length can also be at the point B. Focal length can also be calculated by taking 1/OB. This is the practical point of view. You have to perform this experiment. You have to plot the graph, and from the graph you have to calculate like this. It is a concave mirror in the concave experiment. You will perform 6 reading for real image because virtual image cannot be taken on a screen. So real image, you do the experiment. Any point to be asked? Any clarification you want in this? Next point, we have to see equation for magnification. Equation for magnification. So magnification means whether the image is enlarged one or diminished one at the same time. So with what will be the size of the image with respect to the object? So the term we are using, linear magnification of mirror, represented by smaller. It is the size or height of the image to the height of the object. So that is the definition. We have to relate with object and image distance too. So linear magnification and the derivation we'll do in the next class. Okay. So all of you try with that convex mirror image formation and try to get the mirror formula. Okay. Convex mirror also you can try. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Good day, sir.